my boots? I want to ride! I'm the one rushing everyone, but I'm the last one. Ah! Wait, follow me on YouTube, TheKilaCam! Hey! Somebody! Da, 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 da.
Have you ever had a dream that you had?
When you see me, you better run. Playing duck, duck, goose with my gun. When you see me, you better run. Playing duck, duck, goose with my gun. When you see me, you better run. Playing duck, duck, goose with my gun.
Hey, how's everyone doing, guys? What's good? The one I just uploaded, or no? I guess? Yeah, it'll be out before this one. We're back though. I'm in the middle of editing it. I'm gonna try to edit all of it in one day. Usually it takes me at least like 4 days to edit, but I'm gonna try to get it all done today. It's gonna be a late night post. Wait, why am I thinking about it when it's already out? What am I doing, Cam? Okay, starting it off strong, baby.
Five minutes later.
That hurt, man. But we're back. Y'all see that? I'm at the corner with it. The whole corner. Let's go. Oh boy. Yeah, you was walking that thing. That was juicy. Did you just peep how I switched lanes, bro? Dude, thankful to my stabilizer, like that saved my life. I get a little bit, but then it straightens right up. How your bro? You need a new battery, man.
Know about anything.
What?
You don't let me know about anything.
We buy a jigsaw, they said. You'll be a certified squid, they said. You'll get girls, they said. You need to buy R1, bro. Where are we going? You guys have an idea where we should go? I want to take pictures. You know any cool spots? Sounds good. Is it a straight road or kind of curvy?
I mean, it's straight, curvy.
Bro, I don't care. Let's just go get lost. Where are we going? Where are we going? Fun fact, when I went to go take my motorcycle course, I got my license. There was a figure 8, but my bike only does this, and it was terrible because you have to do it at like 8 miles an hour. It was so bad, but the guys liked me. He actually asked me to be a motorcycle instructor. Isn't that crazy? I'm so young. I've been on the street for 2 years, and they asked me to be a motorcycle instructor. I don't know, man. I don't know. What? You want me to quiet down? No, I need you to turn it up. Turn it up. I need you to Turn it up. Dudes back there were definitely looking at me like, damn, he's weird. Becca got some flat energy right now. I'm not with it. Turn it up.
Right now or later?
Wait, lock it. Lock it. Unlock it. Ah! Hey. Oh! Turn it up. Come on! Hey, while we're in here, I do want to speak about this little thing here. You're probably wondering what it is. It is a stabilizer. Oh, okay. Back to what I was talking about. Make my bike quiet. Ish. So this stabilizer, this little thing here, my little gold little piece of saving life, baby. This thing has saved my life already so many times. Before, I had to do it on my own, and my bike had to do it. I didn't like that. That piece, that little thing, has helped me out so much. So basically, it's a stabilizer. So my bars, it stiffens them up a little bit. So I'll show you. This is one. This is nothing. I can move them very freely. If I turn this thing up, look at this, 20. This is me using all my muscle. Yeah. It stiffens it up. My front end's a little light and I get steering shakes so much. So if you get a lot of speed wobbles and you ride, you need a GPR. You need a stabilizer. It's a steering dampener, so it stiffens it up. Now I ride at 6 to 5 to 4 to 7. It really doesn't, it depends on what kind of riding I'm doing. That thing's sweet. Essentially, I did an unboxing video, which you'll see. Not unboxing, I guess install. We'll be listening to my boy LoveJSan today, who makes all his music right there, because I can't get copyrighted for this. All right, let's go do stuff that'll prevent me from dying in the future, right? Oh, that was for Tommy, man. So today we are installing my GPR stabilizer, V something. I think it's a V4. Woo! Okay. Stop it. She dusty. No. Oh, okay. Fold it, because your boy has OCD. Last year alone in 2019, riding for about 7 months, I mean, I probably had over 50. I've had over 50 close calls, you know, regarding my my steering getting I just woke up like a half an hour ago. Give me a break. All right, so we're gonna install it. You take this big bad boy, and we're gonna take this fork nut off. Wait a minute. No, I think we're good. Yeah, wait. Yeah, wait. I don't know what I'm doing. Come here, come here, come here. I don't have nails. Does this work? Will this make you happy? Nope. Nope. Okay, never mind. Oh shoot, now I gotta get this open. Cut. That's not bad. I watched Do It with Dan. Ah, it's a sticker! Yes! We love... Ah!
Right, so I've got my trusty stopwatch, and here they come down the hill. It looks like Ruben is in the lead, and here comes Al. And this...
That never happened. You saw nothing. Nothing. We're good. Instructions? Nah. Who needs instructions when you have a brain that works only 25% of the time? Let's go with another sticker! All right, let's see if I'm screwed and I have to go to the store and I'm what? Wait a minute. Oh, wait. Crap. Wow. I didn't have to touch it. Screw me. Wow. 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 I didn't have to move it. I mean, that's nice, but like, oh, I wish I knew that. I'm so dumb. I didn't even have, I could have just laid this bracket over top of it. And I didn't have to touch my
fork nut at all. At all. It could have been at factory torque setting, but no, Cam. So dumb. You come back here. Sit with these two things while I tighten the heck out of this. Move. Can you stay up there? Behave. That's enough not to kill me. I'm gonna, actually, I don't know, man. If I die because my handlebars literally disconnected from my bike, you know why. And you'll come to this video and be like, this is how Cam died. This is the murderer. Him himself killed himself. He himself. Stop that. Stop that. Stop. Stop. There we go. Well, I just wasted 10 minutes of my life, but we found out something new. The GPRs do not require removal of the fork. Oh wait, that means I gotta make these tight. Of the fork nut on 2018 R6s. Okay, so we'll install this first because math. This is fairly simple. It's just I didn't make it simple. 65, as usual, that's the fastest I go. I only do the speed limit. Everything else is pretty much just animated CGI. So, just video game graphics. Yeah, that's right. All right, I thought I was wrong. That's tight, baby. Whoa, Cam. Whoa there, we're getting there. Of course, Cam, I can't get that one in there. We're just wiggle. Come on. I know you're around here. I got it! Wait, oh, did I lose it? I think I got it? I definitely 100% didn't. Like, I don't know exactly where the hole I'm supposed to be shooting for is. So, wait, I got it. Oh yeah. Who is calling my cellular? Hey, Spence. I'm making a video right now. Oh! What? All right, so that's 0. Nothing feels loose at all. Everything looks tight. Let's turn it up to max. Full send. Whoa, oh, too much. Holy crap! Oh my gosh. Why doesn't every bike come like this? That's incredible. All right, we'll resume as soon as I get onto the road.
I'm hot. Shoot. When I'm putting my wheelies down, if my wheel isn't perfectly aligned, I'll get a little bit of shake. Before, I've had tank slappers from putting my wheel down, and it's usually at higher speed, but it gets ugly. This literally works its way out, so when I put my wheelie down, just from this being so tight, it'll straighten out a little bit. Like, so basically it'll come down, and it'll and then straight. Like after 2 little boops, it's good, and it's a huge relief, you know, for someone that rides like me, or even if you don't ride like me. I've gotten them even just riding like this, and I hit a bad bump, you know, I'll get the shakes. Even with 2 hands on the wheel, I can't really avoid it. It happens. When I rode with this one, you know, this GPR, now you can go with other companies, but this GPR one goes right in your fork stem. It's very easy to install, like dumb easy, and I highly recommend it. Ever since, I've been in love with it. But I think everyone should have one. I think they should come factor in the bike. Unless you have perfect roads, you're probably gonna get steering yep. Hold on, my brain's rebooting. You're gonna get speed wobbles. Sorry, it was a quick reboot. Why does my glove feel so loose? We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship, going through the stars. This is a jump. Allstate, you're in good hands. Maybe I don't want to be in your hands. Sheesh. Maybe your hands have corona all over them.